In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and manage your preferences on Ticketmaster US and SeatGeek with ease. Whether you're a frequent event goer or just exploring, understanding these platforms will greatly enhance your ticket purchasing experience. Let's get started by heading over to Google. This is often the simplest and most convenient way to access different websites. As we all know, Google is our trusted companion in navigating the internet. Once you're there, type in Ticketmaster US, or simply click your bookmark if you've saved it. Wait for the page to load, and you'll find yourself on the home page, filled with event highlights and ticket options at your fingertips. Our next move will be towards your browser's settings. Look for the settings icon, usually located in the upper right-hand corner of your browser window. Clicking on this will unfold a menu with a variety of options designed to cater to your browsing needs. This might seem unrelated to purchasing tickets, but it's an essential step to ensure a smooth and secure online transaction. Within the settings menu, you'll want to navigate to the privacy and security section. This is where you can manage how your information is stored and shared while you're browsing Ticketmaster and other sites. Ensuring your privacy and security settings are up to date will help protect your information and optimize your browsing experience without unnecessary interruptions. Now, let's proceed by selecting the option to delete your browsing data. This step is especially useful if you encounter issues such as loading errors or outdated information on the website. By clearing your browsing data, you ensure that you're viewing the latest updates and offers without any residual data cluttering your experience. It's a simple trick to maintain the performance of your browser and keep everything running efficiently. Once you've identified the option to delete browsing data, confirm the action by clicking on Delete Data. It's as straightforward as it sounds. This will clear out previously stored information, leaving your browser fresh and ready for seamless navigation. It's a good practice to do this regularly to maintain optimal speed and performance. And there you have it. You're now equipped to manage your settings on Ticketmaster US and SeatGeek efficiently, enhancing your ticket buying process. Remember, keeping your browsing data clean and your privacy settings updated not only optimizes your performance but secures your personal information. This proactive approach ensures that your focus remains on enjoying the events you're passionate about. Thank you for watching and happy ticket hunting.